Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to install your YouTube application or YouTube software on your desktop or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to install your YouTube application on your Windows 10 and Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open YouTube website. After opening the YouTube website, here you will find in top right side corner three dots. Click on that. You have to move your cursor on cast, save and share. After moving your cursor to cast, save and share, here you will find install YouTube. Click on that. Just click on install. After that, here YouTube will be open on your desktop, and if you have to create this shortcut on your taskbar, what you have to do, you have to just right click on this YouTube icon, then click on pin to taskbar. That's it guys. So in this way you can install YouTube application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.